My name is Peter Rebholz. I'm a research biologist focusing on gray wolves. I work for the University of Idaho in the USGS co-op unit. So our research focuses on how hunting and trapping affects wolves in Idaho. And what that means is we have to go out and find these same wolf packs, the same 20 wolf packs throughout the state, get genetic samples from them, and create pedigrees so we can see how each pack is made up of all those different unique individuals. And once they're either removed by hunting or trapping, we can see how that affects each pack as well as the population as a whole. And it entails going out and finding wolf rendezvous sites throughout the state. And that has us going out and howling, setting up cameras, looking for tracks and scat, and backtracking these wolves to these rendezvous sites and den sites where we collect scat from every individual within that pack. So we've been out here camping, hiking around the Coeur d'Alene National Forest and looking for wolves and looking for their rendezvous sites. And what we want in these rendezvous sites are genetic samples from scat. What we do is we take just a small flake from each of these scats. They all get their own vial. And with that, we can get a genetic sample from each individual within that pack. I want to give you guys a quick look at what a wolf den in northern Idaho looks like. The adults will stash these pups for a few months. After the pups have gotten big enough and they're able to leave their natal den, wolves will use these rendezvous sites as kind of base camps. It's a spot for these pups to learn fundamental skills about hunting and communication and playing all the things that they're going to need to do when they're older. So we located a rendezvous site here in northern Idaho, right here in this bed. So wolves dig this out during the heat of the day. It's a nice shady hemlock forest. You can see in the dust we have an adult scat. So here is the back interdigital pad with 4 toes. It's an adult next to what is a pup track right here. So we also have some wolf fur from them rolling around and cooling off in the dust. But also, this is what we're looking for. We're looking for scat. So going out each year and collecting this data and analyzing it, we can help aid different state agencies, other biologists and scientists around the world, and giving them some information to help inform their decisions in how they manage wolves in their area.